Rowere cheno mar ohala kokale cheno mar biz kwa vijana project orumo ka rowere maromo 2,000 oyudo lony mag ohala. Kokale tudruok mar riwruoge mopogore sekta mar ohala pachoka, johala matindo kod madito 632 noyudo tiegruok mag ohala e mbui. Jokanyo yangi ni ne gichiwo tiegruok ne rowere e kind higni 18 nyaka 35 ka 62 kindgi gin mago manigi ng'ol.
We designed a project that was aimed at training 1,000 young entrepreneurs aged between the age of 18 to 35 on how they could leverage online trading and digital platforms. And also the goal was to onboard 600 of them onto these e-commerce platforms. I'm happy to note that the eBiz kwa Vijana project has actually exceeded this milestone. We've trained more than we had anticipated. This is an indicator of the hunger for support and the strong entrepreneurial spirit in young people in Kenya today. As part of this project, we've successfully trained 2,000 learners. We're really proud to report that the trainees, some of whom are present here today, 666 of them are MSMEs. And we have successfully onboarded them onto some of the various e-commerce platforms.